Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to do the marking of the blouse for the aari design. See, I have taken a blouse already. Now from here, you have to take half inches over extra over here from up, and from here to here, it is 14 inches. And 14 inches plus half, so it is 14 and a half inches. So 14 and a half inches we are going to mark over here, 14 and a half inches from here to here and from here to here. Okay, then we are going to see the actual measurement of the shoulder. Now here I have already put the hook over here. Now from here, half inches from this stitch, you have to take half inches from this side, and from this stitch you have to take half inches over this side. That is 11 and a half inches. 11 and a half inches, when you do it half, you will get around 5 3/4 inches. 5 3/4 inches you have to mark from here to here, and also from till over here you mark 5 3/4 inches from here to here. Okay, and you join this line from here to here, and you have to mark it over here. And this half inches that are whatever you have taken as the stitching, you have to mark over here, and you have to join this over here. Now here the depth of the blouse will be, here the depth of the blouse is 9 inches. So 9 inches, in that you have to reduce around 1/4 inches, remember to that. And here the measurement is half inches over here, and here it is around plus here it is around 3 inches. So 3 inches will take over here, from here to here 3 inches. So from here to here 3 inches. So mark the straight line over here, and here the neck depth will be around 9 inches. In that 1/4 inches you have to deduct. Why? Because that will be for the stitching. So then after you stitch you'll get 9 inches. So when you want, if you want a classic neck style, you have to take around mid part of the around 9 inches. It will be around 4.5, 4 3/4, around that you have to take, and you take around 3/4 inches over here inside. So you'll get a very good classic neck design, as it is the latest neck design which has been running nowadays. Okay, so you'll get this shape, in this shape. And what your shoulder was 5 3/4 inches, so your hand also will be around 5 3/4 inches. That is armhole, and you have to draw a straight line. And the width of the blouse will be around 11 inches over here, and you have to mark over here. And from here you have to draw a straight line. Okay, and now you have to take around 1/4 inches outside over here, so that you, so that this line marking will be for the for your aari work. From where you have to actually start the work. Okay, from here. And from here 1.5 inches you have to take outside over here, and exactly 5 3/4 half inch, half when you do, you get around 3 1/4 or something like that from here. So from here you have to join this line over here till here to here. So this will be the armhole. So when you get this marking, when you are doing an aari embroidery, you have to start your work from this side. Okay, from here you have to start the aari work, not from here. This will be the for stitching purpose. From here you have to start the aari embroidery. Now I'll teach you how to trace it over this part of the blouse. Now we have to mark over this side. So this cloth we have to put it over this, and you have to turn off over this, and then you have to tap this cloth in this side, so that the mark goes on to the another side of the cloth. So I hope so this mark is visible to you here. I hope so it is visible to you. And this markings you have to mark it again. Okay, you have to mark it again over here. So in this way, I hope so this is clear to you from in this way. So now this back part will be ready. I hope so it is clear to you. Thank you.